We do all kinds of landscaping and public space projects in almost every scale. It was founded by Schønherr A in the mid-80s, and we have offices in Copenhagen and in Aarhus. I'm an architect, I'm a project leader. I'm the IT responsible and IKT responsible, we call it. You can roughly translate it into BIM manager. There's a strong artistic nerve running through almost any projects that we do. We do a lot of knowledge sharing on a colleague level, both informal and everyday. Sharing knowledge is a vital part of the whole way the office runs on a daily basis and how we get the energy and the creativity into our projects. We have done a lot of public spaces in Danish cities and towns, pedestrian streets, plazas, parks. In terms of health care, we have participated in a number of large hospital projects. There's an ongoing construction of super hospitals all over Denmark, and we are involved in 2 of them. Doing the public spaces, meaning all planting, all pavement, all terrain, everything outside the building until the road. In that we have huge interactions between the civil disciplines and the building disciplines. Our contribution to a project like that is creating the sense of space, not by only what you see as an object, but how you feel the surface when you walk on it. If it's a stair, if it's a ramp, if you have a steep slope, if you have a low slope, all these things, how the pavement is, the type of pavement, the nature of pavement, all these kind of things. Sometimes I call it the invisible design, the controlling of levels that you can't really grasp by looking at a physical model itself, because a few centimeters can do the whole difference. 3D modeling for us is not like 3D modeling for building architects. We cannot take a building object and say, this is a built form. We have a surface and we change it. We have for many years had a small plugin in AutoCAD developed by a Danish guy called Schønherr A. And this land application that it's called has enabled us to control levels and slopes in a very precise way and in a very fast, easy and efficient way. Schønherr A saw the potential in ARCHICAD to develop his land plugin for that. He didn't want to develop it on other platforms because he didn't see any potential for landscaping in other platforms than ARCHICAD. You can say that when it comes to modeling landscape as a terrain, there's a number of platforms. But when it comes to you working with ARCHICAD, Rhino is the most obvious entrance. And when we then have land as well, then we have a threesome of programs that gives us a quite good start.